Posting on the Substack app is a simple process that allows you to share your thoughts and content with subscribers directly from your mobile device. Here's how to do it. Download the Substack app. If you haven't already, download the Substack app from the App Store or Google Play Store and log into your account. Start a new post. Open the app and tap the New Post button, typically represented by a plus sign or a pencil icon. This will direct you to the post editor. Write your content. In the editor, you can start writing your post. The app allows you to format text, add headings, and insert links. You can also include images or other media by tapping the image icon. Preview your post. Once you've finished writing, tap the preview button to see how your post will look to subscribers. This is a good time to check for any formatting issues or errors. Publish or schedule. After reviewing, you can either publish your post immediately or schedule it for a later time. If scheduling, choose the desired date and time. Engage with subscribers. After posting, be sure to check for comments and engage with your readers to foster a sense of community.